Hello, everyone. This is Dr. and Master Rulin. I'm so excited and so grateful to have this moment to connect with each one of you. Thank you for your presence. I can feel your heart and I can feel your love. And I'm sending my greatest love from the deepest heart of my soul and heart to you. Thank you for joining me to learn and explore more about oneness with Tao Science. And before I start, I want to invite you to join me in the Tao Science course starting August 9th. And also, I want to thank each one of you for your love and support on the Facebook, all your comments, and all your love and support. And I want to let you know, all the trip, every time, the trip I go to in China, every time I work on the Tao Science, I can feel the presence of each one of you. You are with me wherever I go, whatever I do. It is never a single effort from a single person. The effort is from all of us. Whether we know it or not, we are one. We have never been separated. We are always together. The more and the quicker, earlier we know this truth, the more happier, more successful, healthier, wiser, and more enlightened we will be, and the more powerful we will be. So I will explain this today with Tao Science, why the oneness is truly who we are, and the oneness is what we want to go back to. And the oneness is the highest power. Oneness is the highest wisdom. And oneness is the greatest love. And we're going to experience this oneness with Tao Science. Is this exciting? And also before we start, because it's going to be very, very, I myself, I never know what I'm going to get into with, I'm almost going to be in tears. I'm never going to know what I'm going to talk about. I just can feel this is going to be amazing experience. So I will say whatever I need to say beforehand. So any of you, please make more comments. And also, if you have any questions, ask the questions in the comments. And next time, tomorrow, at the same time, and I can address those questions with to answer your questions. Basically, Tao Science, the science, can explain all spiritual wisdoms and all, spiritual phenomena, experiences scientifically. So any questions you have, you want to learn how to explain everything scientifically, you can ask. So make comments, and tomorrow we'll answer those questions. And also, I will give blessings to anybody, make comments, and ask questions. And for example, this time I was visiting China, visiting amazing Buddhas, and one of the greatest joy is that, because before I joined Master, actually before I work on the Tao Science, I don't know much about Buddhism. Really, Tao Science helped me to understand Buddhism and get me so close to all the Buddhas, because they come almost every day, all the time, to teach me about Tao Science. They are really actually the earliest Tao scientists actually, the creator is the earliest Tao scientist. So Buddha is one of the first, some of the earliest groups of Tao scientists. And so they're so patient, so much love, and help me. And so I know one of my tasks is to, and so I was so grateful actually Tao Science can explain every part of the Tao's, Taoist teaching and the Buddhist teaching in an amazing, scientific, simple way. Because all those wisdom is so deep, so profound. Even people, for thousands of years, people read them over and over again, chant them over and over again. They still don't understand them. And then now finally, Tao Science make it this understandable and in a scientific way, and so that everybody can understand it, and everybody have opportunity and chance to reach enlightenment quickly. And that is really the prospect for all humanity and all souls. So this is so exciting, and I cannot be more excited, because we always talk about enlightenment of humanity, all souls. This is our beloved spiritual father and teacher, Master Sha's, highest wish and highest task and highest mission. And I finally see we can achieve that. And we can achieve it. So, so I invite all of you to join me in the Tao Science course. This is a course we have to take, all of us. All of us. And Master Sha required all the master teachers to take it. And even though you are not a master teacher yet, you should take it. This will prepare you to become master teacher, and it will prepare you to give better service to humanity, and also for you to reach the enlightenment at a deeper level, to help you solve any problems, any patterns that has been holding you back, for you to reach your highest potential, for you to reach your highest joy and highest power. Truly, if you understand wisdom, there will be no, there'll be testing, but you can go through the testing almost instantly. And you will realize the testing just uplifts you, and you can step into the upliftment in really instantly. There will be no frustration and no sadness, no grief. Or if you have it, it's really just like next moment you can pass it. You will see through it. You will see what's a lesson for you, and you will just, gratefully receive the lessons and get to and take that as actually the ladder for you to go up higher, to uplift you every moment. Truly, we come to this physical life to uplift ourselves every moment and go higher and higher, because that is the purpose of our life, to go to the higher level, to go to the deeper level of oneness. The higher level is the deeper level of oneness and deeper level of love, deeper level of service. It's all the same thing, it's just different words. And Tao Science can actually mathematically define all of these words, what it really means. So really it unifies everything, and it's so beautiful. So thank you so much for joining me. And now let's explore what is oneness with Tao Science. Okay, let's put your hands on your lower abdomen and close your eyes. So we'll do a teaching in the meditative way. And so we will go experience and also learn the wisdom about oneness in a very amazing state. Okay? So close your eyes. Let's explore the oneness with Tao Science together. Let's go deep within ourselves. Let's learn who we really are, what we're really made of. Let's go deep within. Put our attention in the midman and in the lower abdomen, feeling our bodies. So now imagining you have a magnifying glass. You're looking deeper into what you're really made of. So scientifically we know if we look deeper, although we have different parts of the body, different organs, organ systems, every part of the body is actually made of cells. And then let's look deeper into our cells. Different cells is actually the smallest units of life. It is actually each cell can breathe like just we are. It's a small part of ourselves. And actually, Tao Science is going to show each one of us is a hologram. Each small part represents the whole universe. So each part of our cells, there's actually a complicated system. Just like our body has a part to breathe, absorbing things from outside. Digesting, processing food, informations, energies. So now let's look deeper into our cells with our magnifying glass. So each cell could be very different. They have different shapes. But each cell also made of molecules, many, many different molecules. Just like our body made of many billions of cells, and each part of our cells made of billions of molecules. Now let's go deeper into our molecules. Each molecules there's many, many different kinds of molecules. Some are very big, some are very small. DNA, RNA is a very big molecule. It contains all the information about us. But all the molecules is also made of atoms. So now let's look deeper into the molecules. So molecules have many molecules. Now let's look deeper into the atoms. So the atoms has many kind of atoms. Some are more complicated, some bigger, some smaller. But the molecules is made of, protons, made of a nucleus and electrons. Now we look deeper into the nucleus and we find the nucleus is this hard core in the molecule. And the electrons is surrounded and moving around the molecules like the planets moving around the sun. So molecule is like a solar system, really. And the atoms is like a solar system. Electrons is moving around the nucleus, kind of like planets moving around the sun. And then now look into the nucleus. And the nucleus you find it made of quarks. And the quarks, they have very strong interaction, hold them together in a very tight forming this very small nucleus. So now if we study the property of the quarks and electrons, we find we cannot break them further. They seem a single unit that cannot be broken down anymore. And also, if you look into them, they also have this property like a wave, like the ocean wave. They extend over all space and time. Think about the ocean, the waves extending over the whole ocean. It turns out the electron and the quarks, the basic units that made of our matter, is really actually a wave. So now feel, each one of us is really fields of waves like the ocean. So feel this fields of waves that inside you. Feel these waves. That is made of every part of you. These waves, each wave carries the information, energy, and matter. So feel these waves. They're extending over all space. Feel the waves extend beyond your body. And now feel the body really is not that concrete. The waves extending out of your body, out into, fill up the room you live. And it goes through the walls. Extend beyond your room, beyond the house, go to the street, the road. Feel your waves going beyond the land, the air, extending over Mother Earth. Feeling our vibrational fields are one, touching each other. Our heart are one. Our mind are one. And all the matters are one. Feeling that Mother Earth, we're one with Mother Earth, His love, her support, her unconditional service to all of us. Now feel our vibrational field extend beyond the Mother Earth. Go to the solar systems. Different planets. Mars, Venus. Then covering all the whole, go to the sun, and covering the whole solar systems. Feel the amazing love, wisdom, power from the different planets and stars, planets and sun, and the love of the sun. Feel our connection with the sun and with each planet. They are affecting each one of us. At the same time, we're affecting them. Now, feel our vibrational field extending even beyond the solar system. Go to the Milky Way, the splendor of the Milky Way. How beautiful, how magnificent. The light of the Milky Way is so brilliant, so magnificent. Feel how splendid, magnificent our life is. How magnificent. Our impact is. We are one with the whole Milky Way. Our feelings, our thoughts is affecting the whole Milky Way. Feel the light of the Milky Way. The nourishment of the Milky Way is so amazing. In this galactic realm, we have a big task to help all beings in this galactic world. The souls from the galactic come to us for wisdom, for new technologies. They give us so much light and love as well, and so much support. Feel our oneness with them. Now allow our body, our field, to feel, allow ourselves to feel our vibration field even go beyond the Milky Way. It extending over the whole universe. The splendor of our universe is beyond our comprehension. It's made of billions of the Milky Ways. Some of them is even much bigger than the Milky Way. And our universe is still expanding with accelerated speed. And our field is one with all of this. And our field is affecting the whole universe. And the whole universe is affecting each and every one of us. And we are truly one. In this oneness, we are completely connected. One thought will affect each one of us. In this one, so this oneness is the only truth. This oneness is the highest power, because if you allow yourself to completely connect with all beings, it comes with the highest service. It comes with the highest wisdom. It comes with the highest love and enlightenment. But our splendor is not just stopped at this universe. Our splendor is going much beyond this universe. Even beyond this universe, there's countless universes. Tao Science shows there are countless universes, and we are affecting each one of them. And our power is even beyond these countless universes. Above all these countless universes, there's Tao, there's divine and Tao. Divine and Tao is the creator of each one of us. It is inside each one of us. Tao is emptiness and nothing, emptiness. In the emptiness, it contains countless possibilities, countless wisdom, love, abundance, joy. That's connected with this Tao, is Tao and divine. Feel the deep emptiness. When we let go of our own judgment, attachment, and detachment, we can get in touch with Tao and Divine. We can get in touch with these infinite possibilities and power, the infinite love and nourishment. That is who we really are. And we all can get in touch with Tao, because that is who we really are. So, dearest friends, I want to thank you for joining me today to experience this divine Tao and oneness, the highest power, highest wisdom, highest enlightenment. And I wish we get together. I hope you will come together tomorrow again, and we will learn how to use Tao Science to open our heart further. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me today. And I'm looking forward to spend more time with you and to explore the Tao Science together again. So please don't forget to make comments and ask questions. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you. Bye.